This woman's health conscious and is careful about what she eats, which is why her mother-in-law recommended she try these new healthy choice soups. Full of fresh vegetables, beans and pulses, they're low in fat and a source of fibre, yet still tasty and wholesome. But then, her mother-in-law is Ina Baxter. New healthy choice soups from Baxter's, the family of fine foods.
There's been a breakthrough! Oops, not that dusty light. This! Because Mr. Sheen's clever boffins have added a unique new anti-static dust guard ingredient. So when you polish with new Mr. Sheen, you don't instantly attract dust back. After 3 days, look! But new Mr. Sheen's dust guard keeps dust away longer. Mr. Sheen's the only polish with dust guard, so that calls for a victory roll! New Mr. Sheen keeps dust away longer.
When you're ready to move on and buy a bigger pad, no one works harder than Whitegates to get you moving fast. We're open 7 days a week. And to help first-time buyers buy your home, there's our Super Starter Pack. Plus, we won't charge you a penny unless your house is sold, not even for advertising. So, you can move on to your new pad. Whitegates, we're good at selling houses. Yeah, love it.
That's a nice rug, sir.
That's not a rug, Buff. It is a Bedouin birthing blanket. Tradition has it, a powerful aid to fertility.
Great! I'll get me mum one.
The Barclay card, put it away, Buff. The Tuareg are an ancient people. They respect only hard cash and hard bargaining. Thank you.
You sound fluent, sir.
We are both fluent, Buff. Sadly, in different languages. How much is the rug?
Right.
So, where did your Barclay card get you?
Well, it got me rug insured for the next 3 months.
Insurance, Buff. I think I can handle a rug. Ah, smell those Tuareg campfires. Unmistakable. Look, shoot! Push off!
You.
Volk Samson. Its taste is its strength.